Okay, and the promoter is molybdenum. Is this clear? If the combination is not iron and molybdenum, then the combination is ferric oxide. The catalyst can be ferric oxide. In that case, promoter is potassium oxide, 1%, right, and 3% Al2. Okay, so there are two combinations for catalyst and promoter, right? Conditions 450 to 500 degrees centigrade and pressure is 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to ensure the gas which we are taking should be pure, right? And there should be no impurity, no impurity of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide or hydrogen sulfide, as they are going to poison the catalyst. Okay, so we take one part of nitrogen